Stakeholders often begin with a request. We need a dashboard. But requirements elicitation asks the better question. What decision, problem, or workflow is hiding underneath? At Softclue, we treat elicitation as investigation, not order taking. Use interviews when you need depth and nuance from one stakeholder. Use workshops when the group must compare priorities, expose trade-offs, and reach consensus. Use observation when what people say may differ from what they actually do. Add document analysis to learn from policies, reports, and existing screens. Use surveys for large or distributed groups. And use prototyping when a rough mock-up can provoke clearer feedback. Before an interview, define what you need to leave with. Research the stakeholder's role and context. Prepare open questions in a logical sequence. Plan how you'll take notes, then confirm key points back. Try this. Write 8 questions for a customer service team leader about a new complaints tracking system.